Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and this is the Pocophone F1. I've been wanting to check this out for quite some time. Banggood was nice enough to send this along, and I'll link it in the description below so you could check it out if you'd like to, and if I have a discount code, it'll be down there as well. So this is a flagship phone at a budget price, around $300, and you get a lot with it. So let's take a closer look and see if it's actually the phone of the year, as some other people are saying. Now I've taken the wrapper off, and unfortunately my microphone wasn't recording before, so I kind of repackaged this just to show you how it comes. Now on the back of the box, you'll see it has a Snapdragon 845 with artificial intelligence built in. It's got liquid cooling, dual AI cameras, and a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. This is also the 6 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabyte model in steel blue. So let's go ahead and open this up. And inside, looks like we've got a case and some documentation. So documentation about thank you for choosing Pocophone. And then here is a clear TPU case. So they give you that for free. Now you can see here I've taken this off before, but I just wanted to show you again how it comes in the box. And here what we have is a plug. Now if you're in the United States or a different country that does not use this plug, you'll need to make sure you just have a USB adapter. And then we've got USB-C to USB-A, as you can see there. So let's set this aside and take a closer look at the phone. And this display is probably the most disappointing thing about it, but for me it's not a disappointment because it's LCD, 6.18 inches, and it's 1080 by 2246, so pretty nice as far as that goes. It's 403 pixels per inch, so basically the same pixels per inch as an iPhone 8 Plus. Now, for me, LCD displays don't flicker, so they don't bother my eyes. OLEDs do, and they usually strain my eyes more. So this is good news for anyone that has those issues with PWM. Now on the back, it's steel blue, and then you've got your fingerprint sensor, you've got dual cameras with AI, and then you've got your flash. On the side, you've got power sleep wake button, volume up and down, and then on the bottom, dual speakers, USB-C. Then you've got your SIM card slot. And let's take a look at that. So we'll pull this out of here. And it looks like we've got a SIM card slot and room for an SD card as well, so you could expand the storage. So let's put this back in. And let's boot it up. Now in the hand, this feels pretty good. It's got a front-facing camera like you'd expect. An earphone here. I don't know that it's a dual speaker though. It's got MIUI 9. We'll go ahead and set it up. And I can see some light bleed down at the bottom already. I don't know if you can notice that or you notice that. Let's see if we go down here. United States, terms and conditions. It's checking for a SIM card. Can't turn the brightness down just yet. But you can see the UI looks a little bit different. The corners are not exactly symmetrical with or line up perfectly with the corners of the phone. So that bugs me a little bit. We'll just go past that. It may take a moment or two to check for updates. We'll set up as new. We'll just skip all of this for now so we can get into the interface. And then it's got an only screen lock or fingerprint setup. We'll do a pin. Then it wants me to set up the fingerprint. Okay. And then you get to choose a theme. So there's Poco, default, and limitless. We'll just choose the default one for now. And setup is complete. Now in setting this up, you get a little bit of haptic feedback. It's nothing like the Pixel 3 XL as far as the haptic feedback is concerned. So it's okay. It's typical, but it's not this new feeling that the Pixel 3 XL has. We'll hit allow. And here's the launcher. Now this is not the Google stock launcher. It's MIUI. See what we've got here. So you could skin this, of course, but overall it looks pretty good. Scrolling is smooth. You can see some of that light bleed down here at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. Let me turn the screen down a little bit. And there's some light bleed from the bottom of the display. But other than that, the display looks really good. See what we've got as far as settings go here. And It looks good. It's actually pretty fast as far as the scrolling is concerned. Xiaomi has been doing a lot of interesting things lately. Now, their designs somewhat copy other manufacturers, but their phones are solidly built, at least in my experience. I love the feel of their phones, and the price of them can't be beat for what you're getting. So, go into the camera here. AI camera. I'll just put the Pixel in the background. And we'll take a look. And for some reason, it's watermarking the photos, so I'll have to turn that off. But overall, it looks pretty good. Detail's pretty decent. So I'll continue to use this. And if you want to see a full review, let me know in the comments below. I do like the design. It's kind of a matte plastic feel. And of course, you could put this case on that they include for free. I like phones without cases most of the time, but you do get this. And of course, you could buy another one if you wanted to. So overall, though, I think it's a nice little package for $300 and what you get. But let me know your thoughts in the comments below and let me know what you think. And that unlocks crazy fast. That's pretty quick. So that's it for the Pocophone. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And again, thanks to Banggood for sending this along. I'll link it in the description below. And be sure to check for a coupon code, as you may be able to get some discounts on some of their upcoming products. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.